What's up guys, it's time to install the new wrap for the Supra, but first we have to remove the wrap. Start with the video. This one is gonna be amazing. Let's do it. And also in today's video we're gonna announce the winner for the dash cam at the end of the video. Let's continue with the video. Finally, we're gonna wrap the Supra into this video, and we're gonna start with the hood. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to wrap a hood. Alright, and this is the color reveal. The color is Miami Blue. This is the brand Vinyl Frog, so I'm gonna put the link on the description of the video for this product. They have a lot of nice colors. So the link is gonna be on the description of the video down below. They are very glossy, the material. Look at that. Super nice, okay? So the link for the material is gonna be on the description of the video down below. Let's continue with the video. Also, I have these wheel covers. These are amazing because this one, it will prevent the dust from going to the hood wrap, okay? The link for these ones are gonna be in the description of the video down below too. I wanna give a special thanks to Vinyl Frog for sending me this wheel cover. Remember to remove any plastics that are on the way of the wrap, so I'm gonna remove this from the hood. Okay, one more tip. The vinyl, this one, usually the glue is very strong, stronger than 3M or AB on those materials. So when you do a hood wrap or a roof wrap, this is the trick I use. It's a Tack Reducer. Apply a little bit of a Tack Reducer on the hood or the roof, and it will make your life more easier. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna apply a little bit of the Tack Reducer because it's easier to lift the material with this. Okay, so this is one tip that I just want to add on the video. One more thing for the squeegee, I'm gonna use this squeegee. Remember to put a new buffer to the squeegee. See? Like that. Yeah. That's good. Like that, new buffer. One more thing, remember material sometimes is directional. So this one has letters. Now you can see the letters. Let's see. Right there. Okay, I always leave the letters facing up. But if you don't have letters, what you can do, you can use a marker and put an arrow like that, and that means that's going up. So just a quick tip about the material. If you don't have letters, just put an arrow. Okay, let's start with installation. I already cut my sheet for the hood. Make sure that you have the right size. This hood is a little bit taller, so I will have to stretch it on the top corners of the hood, but take measurements and make sure that you have extra material. Right now I'm removing the top paper because we don't need that because we're gonna stretch the material. Okay, so I'm gonna remove the backing paper, only 2/3 of the sheet. So I'm gonna start lifting the material, and I'm gonna start with the middle of the hood, and then I'm gonna stretch the material on this area that is the area that is shorter, the material. Okay, so I'm have to use a little bit of heat gun to stretch it, and as soon as the material reaches the the corner, I'm gonna start lifting the sides and glossing the material. Glossing means that I'm removing the wrinkles before I use the squeegee. Okay, so I'm gonna do more heat on this corner and then lifting the material, removing all the wrinkles before you use the squeegee. Okay, like I'm doing here in the video. So start with one area, and then from that area you move to the next one and divide the hood in pieces. Okay, I'm doing in here. And the last thing I'm gonna do is the corners and the edges. So now that this half of the hood is done, I'm gonna lift the material. I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna start with the middle of the hood, and then this corner I'm gonna hit the material to reach the area that is not covered with the material. So I'm stretching the vinyl for this corner, especially because the material is a little bit shorter. And now that the material is stretched to the desired area, I can start lifting the material and glossing the material on the hood. That means removing the wrinkles from the hood. Go little by little, because in the challenge for this hood is that it's very big. Other hoods are smaller and easier to do, but this hood is hard because it's very big and it's hard to reach corner to corner. But if you do it in pieces, you will do it very easy and simple, but you have to be patient and you have to do a lot of glossing, lifting the material, removing wrinkles, and stretching the vinyl. And as you can see, I'm almost done, just this area, and that's it. All I have to do is use a little bit of heat, stretch the material, and use the squeegee to cover the whole hood, and that's it. Okay, I already finished the hood, but man, I did a mistake. I ripped the vinyl with my finger. I did it like this and I stretched it too much. So I'm gonna do it again. I'm not gonna put it in video, but the next thing is to cut the edges and the corners. Okay, let's continue with that next. And just like that, it is fixed. Look at that. No more scratch or vinyl hole. Okay, so it's fixed. Now the next thing is to cut the edges, fix the corners, and that's it for the hood wrap. Okay, the next thing to do is to cut the excess material to open the hood. I'm gonna leave like an inch or 2 inches extra to fold under the hood. Okay, like I'm doing here. And now the next thing is use the heat gun. The heat gun, I'm gonna put this one so I can keep it open. So I'm gonna use the heat gun to stretch a little bit on the corner and to make the material like soft and remove like the stretching of the vinyl. That way, when I'm cutting the material on the edges, it won't lift and it won't make like a fingers on the edges and corners. So the key to have perfect corners is to stretch the material, use the heat gun, and then stretch a little bit again and use the heat gun until the material it won't pull back again. So you have to repeat this like 3 or 4 times on each corners, and after the material won't pull back, the corner is gonna be perfect. And on the edge, I'm gonna cut it right at the edge because my car is black, so I don't need to cover a lot. But if your car is like a white, leave a little bit extra material to cover the color. And so as you can see here, I'm cutting right at the edge because my car is black. Even if it shows a little bit, it's black. But if your car is a different color, leave a little bit extra, like 1/8 of an inch extra under the hood. Okay, so as you can see, it's done and it looks great. Amazing. Okay guys, the hood wrap is done and it looks amazing. I love the new color, it's amazing. So the link for this material and wheel covers and all the tools that I used today, they're gonna be in the description of the video down below. But let me know what you guys think on the comments, okay? Thank you for watching. We're gonna have the series for this wrap and also some cool car gadgets videos, okay? So hit the notification bell so you won't miss any of the videos, okay? Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please like the video, subscribe for more videos like this one, and see you on the next video. God bless you. Bye. Okay guys, the winner for the giveaway, I'm gonna put the comment over here. Congratulations to the winner. Contact me on Instagram or Facebook or through my website, or you can send me an email. My email is in my about page of my YouTube channel. Okay, so that's the winner. Congratulations to the winner. Thank you for the support. Okay, and on the next video we're gonna announce the next giveaway for you guys. Okay, just be careful with the scammers. I will never ask for money, or I don't have a Telegram. Okay, this is only for the USA subscribers, and we're gonna have a new dashcam giveaway on the next video. Okay, thank you guys for the support. Thank you for liking the video and supporting the channel. God bless you, and see you on the next video.